Good morning, today September 13, 2024. We are returning our rental car. Make sure I check the room, 101B, 101A. Alright. B. Ha? I-google mo Ace Rental Las Vegas. Ngayon. Pebble. Is that Pebble Boulevard or Pebble Street? Yeah.
Make a left from here.
Yeah, make a left from here.
Ace
Rental Las Vegas. Okay, so just follow us.
Rental Car Las Vegas.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
8755 Las Vegas.
And then only 1 minute drive. Lagyan mo and put
Ace Rental Car.
yeah, destination. Yeah. Ayan na.
O doon.
Turn left at what? Pebble? Pebble.
Papahintay 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Kami nang bahala.
Okay.
Kasi hindi naman kami sasabay sa inyo.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We're here to return our rental car, Altima, the 2.5 cylinder Altima. Okay, Altima. Wait, I'll open it. Okay, it's open. Oh, really? Okay. Please hold this so that we can video the way going to that place. Okay. All right. That's on right now. Then we have this baby. Start. Air condition. Check. How this place? Just like that. That's the front. This is the rear. Yeah. Smells stinky.
Yeah, ano yan? Yun na amoy ko rin.
Is that
Siguro pag mainit kasi naiinit yung ano baka. Malusas lang.
they left already?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Lebanon Avenue eh. Masarap dito may pag mag-drive tayo. It's nice to drive in. We will bring our own car. Do you want to use the Nissan or the
Subaru.
Subaru? Subaru. Ito, myflorida.com. Ito namin, Lebron. Hindi pa.
Cable.
Cable pa lang. Di man lang. Ito, cable. Yan o. Di pa.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto West Pebble Road.
Kasi,
Oh. Quarter mile.
sabi rin niya the West Pebble Road.
West Pebble. Ito.
At the light, turn left onto West Pebble Road.
Nagsasalita na ba siya niya? It's talking. We are returning this car to Ace Rental Company. 300, almost 400.
In 600 feet, turn right.
Ito na, ano? Sa susunod pa.
Turn right.
Vegas is known. Yeah, I remember this place.
I remember the one.
No, this place. We have
In
to go.
600 feet, turn left.
Dito talaga kami. So, tama yung address natin. Ayan mo, naghihintay na
It's a
pupunta
very rough road.
ng airport.
Take the next left, then you will arrive at your destination.
Yung sa dulo.
Return the car.
Saan kaya sila nagpunta? Dito sila.
yun. Ano bang magnukad nito? Wala mo sino eh. Okay, return. Return to me. Turn off. Stop. Okay. We will get off now. Okay, return the car. Full tank. Yeah.
Are the keys inside?
The keys here, my friend. Right there.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, wala pa siya sinasabi. Yeah. No, he will let us. Not with me. We just wait.
Is that your correct email?
etthehero@yahoo.com.
Yep.
Everything fine.
Yep.
All right.
All good.
Right
I
on.
just sent
Okay.
you the receipt and you guys are all good to go.
Outstanding. Thank you very much.
You're
Okay. Bye bye. Until next time. Maybe until next time. No, we will have to wait for them. Okay, we just finished returning the car, and I'll get the receipt from my email address. Yeah, but where are they?
Yeah. Baka naman siya muna sa sa Subway.
No, we just stand up there. Oh, that's where they at me. Right there, you see the car there? Yeah. Doon tayo po.
Kunin mo na yung kukunin mo.
Wala na akong kunin ah.
Sabi mo yung receipt.
Nandito na sa internet sa
Kunin.
ayun sana oh. Okay, we will find our ride back to the hotel. I think my brother-in-law will pick us up. Kukuha